Hi, it's Jessica Wade with YWAIT Agency. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to add products to your store, your swag store that you had set up in your YWAIT account. Your swag store, you would have linked to your website where your customers can come and purchase swag for your business, your logo. It doesn't only have to be your business, though. You can do funny sayings or different images, however you want to structure it. But I'm going to show you how to create a product. We are integrated in your YWAIT account with Printful. And so they are the ones that are going to be fulfilling and issuing out your products. So you sign into your account. If you followed the other tutorial videos that we did explaining how to set up your account, how to create a swag store, and how to connect it to your website, if you haven't seen those, go ahead and go over there first. This is if you've already set up your account and now you are trying to add more products to it. You're signed into your Printful account. What you can do is you can go to the product catalog. Now, there are a slew of items in here. It scrolls for days. So you can shop by men's clothes, women's clothing, youth, accessory. There's so many items that you can explore here. If you are looking to just add some basic items in here, you can go to bestsellers. In our original video, when we did the store setup, we added just the generic t-shirt. Now these are some of their best sellers that you can customize and add to your store. So you can scroll through here and find what products are of interest. You can also just view all products where you can spend an absorbent amount of time going through all of the different products that they have available, that you are able to come in here and customize and set up for your business or your swag that you are looking to sell on your store. So for today, just to show you how to add a product, we'll just go ahead and choose this coffee mug here as an example. So this is what it's going to look like. Wholesale, it's going to cost you $5.95, but you will have the ability to mark up the item to sell on your store so that you are able to see profit margin, basically. But you can choose the size: 11 ounce, 15 ounce, 20 ounce. I think for this purposes, we'll just do the 11 ounce coffee cup, and you go ahead and click on Start Designing. Okay, so from here, you are on the design page. You will want to go ahead and click on your logo or upload your logo. So here you'll go ahead and click on upload. We already applied our logo in here, so we'll go ahead and click apply. If you don't already have your logo listed in there, you'll want to make sure that you go in and find where you have it saved and upload it. Now they will do suggestions where they made our image a little larger. If you want better print quality, upload a larger image. They'll give you recommendations on what to do. And then it'll show you kind of how it is laid out. Center of the mug. And here is a picture where you can kind of circle it around and see it's a pretty cool tool where you can see like the 3D aspects of it. And then you also can see what it looks like on the other sizes. Again, the print image is a little small for their liking, but what I think I would do is make this a little smaller. That way it is on the one side of the mug when you're holding it. And then let's see here. I am going to just remove background even though it is a white cup already. Okay, and then duplicate the design on both sides. So now it's going to duplicate it. So now when we look at it, it's on both sides of the mug, which is kind of the look that I was going for. All right, very nice, very nice. So I am happy with this design. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Save Design because I always save your changes. And then you can scroll down here and go to Publish. Design for each product side needs to be adjusted separately. Oh, that's right, because we selected each of these items here. So we want to go ahead and give our customers the ability to purchase different sizes if that's what they prefer. So you just have to customize it for each of these sizes here. So go ahead and click on the 20 ounce, make this one a little smaller, and then slide it over. And we also have these duplicating on both sides. I think I might make this a little bigger. There we go. All right. So now we hit save design and hit publish. So the nice thing about Printful is that it's very user friendly. If there is something missing, it'll prompt you to do the designated steps that are needed to fix it. Now here we are on our mockup screen. This is going to show you already models and actors that have your custom design in the picture, which is kind of cool. You don't have to worry about hiring anybody to do that. It comes automatically with Printful. You just want to designate what your mockups will look like. So I think I like this one where both mugs are stacked on top of each other. I think I will select this one, and then let's take a look. I think I like this one as well. And how about we do choose the girl drinking from it? Let's see here. You can do like holidays and other things like that. So we're primarily just kind of looking through different alternatives and options, and you can settle for which one you like best. I kind of like this one too, where they're choosing together. And then let's just do the packaging one as well so we can see what that looks like. All right. And then they've got some holiday theme ones in here with the holidays coming up. And you can do like a little pre-filled in item. Let's do that one for fun too. Okay. So this looks good. We'll go ahead and click continue. Now, this is where you're doing that mock-up that we were mentioning. So you can include the shipping costs into the calculations, and then you set your markup. So we can say 100% markup and hit set. And it'll designate what the pricing cost is. You can go up or down on that markup however you see fit. You obviously want to make sure that you're getting a profit after the shipping, but you also want to make sure that it's affordable and within that wheelhouse so that you can get realistic sales and everything. So I think I'm good with this being at 60%. Now, what happens here is that you are charged the wholesale price. And then your customer is charged your mock-up. So when a customer goes onto your swag store, they will purchase the item and pay you through your YWAIT account. Then you will be paying Printful from your business account. And so obviously you keep the difference. The customer pays you first, and then you pay Printful and you keep that difference. All right, so we're going to go ahead. Everything here looks good. We will click continue. We can keep it the white glossy mug for the name. I'm fine with that. And we will go ahead and hit publish. And we have it down here. It's generating the files and the mockups. And everything there looks good. All right, so we are all set up and good to go here. So now we just want to check and make sure that it showed up in our store. Okay, so let's head over to our account within YWAIT here, and we will go down to sites. And from here, we will click on websites, swag store folder, and then swag store. And then this is the page that shows your product list. If you click on edit, it just shows you the generic. So we want to click on preview link to see what the website looks like. And here it is. We've got the glassy mug listed right here. You will go ahead and click on that to view what it looks like. And that is fantastic. So they already plugged in all of the details about the mug. You could see the different sizes and what that looks like. And the preview and everything's already here. Let's say though, we just want to take a look at that product, maybe edit something on the text or whatever that might look like. Then what you're going to do is come back to your YWAIT account. You'll go to payments. you'll go to products, and then you'll see that white glossy mug was automatically brought into your YWAIT account through that integration with Printful. So you'll click on the white glossy mug, and this is where you see everything listed on that text. You can go ahead and change primary product pictures and the order of the pictures, and all of these details here. You can click on the variances and be able to see how it looks. So overall, I'm really pleased with how this turned out. So I'm not going to make any edits. Um, but so you can see what it looks like on the store one more time. Everything here looks fantastic. So back on the homepage, we now have 2 products with the logo for this particular customer and able to get that moving forward. So you can rinse and repeat. You can go back to Printful and you can go back to products and continue to add more products that are of interest and build your store out. The one thing as a little tip here when you're in Printful that I find to be quite fascinating and one of my favorite parts about it is that when you are going through the product list, what you can do initially is you can go through and see this little heart here. Um, you can look at these products and say, you know what, I like the stickers. I'm going to come back to it though. So you're going to put that favorite mark, and then it's going to put all the products in favorite. So it'll help you be able to maybe look through the store a little bit more effectively, see what it is that you like and want, and then come back to it later, to actually design and set it up in your store. So definitely something really neat to look at. We have bought dozens of items from here to be able to get familiar with what the material looks like and what the products look like. And we are very, very pleased with the quality and how quick it gets shipped out. So definitely come in here, explore. There is a multitude of things that you can design and create, and build your store out to your liking. So I hope you enjoy the design process. If you do need any help or questions, you are welcome to reach out. If there's anything that doesn't connect properly with YWAIT, don't forget you have your little chat feature down here. You can search the knowledge base articles, or you can chat with somebody live 24/7. We are always here to help support and want to see you and your business succeed. So until next time, I hope you have a great day.